Hi everyone, welcome to the Athani Reviews, and today we will be reviewing Bandish Bandits. Not today, in a matter of days. I'm watching it with my parents. It's gonna be slow. Be prepared for that. So ever since its release, people had been telling me कि you should definitely watch it and review it, and I was like, it's looking like a regular love story. I really judged it a lot, and I was like, छोड़ो नहीं देखना. But now my mom was like, no, we're watching this. I was like, okay, fine, we're watching this. And like Special Ops, this was a very good decision. So I've only seen episode one by far, and I am in love. Especially the guy's acting, Ritwik Bhomik, his acting is so brilliant. I mean, when you see the episode one end and you see him, I looked at my mom and dad and I was like, कितनी बढ़िया acting कर रहा है ये लौंडा बंदा. Whatever. Even Nasuruddin Shah sir, like everyone on this series, everyone's acting is just brilliant, and it is quite a binge worthy sort of series. Like when we finish episode 1, I'm like episode 2, but ho nahi paya wo to. So do watch it. If you watch it, don't tell me because I'm watching it with my parents, so it's gonna be quite some time before I finish it, but do watch it. This is looking very good. Okay, so we just finished watching episode 2. I am really in love with the music. Okay, I love how they have respected the fact that the sitcom sort of revolves around it, and they have paid immense attention to it. Like the music is so it fills your heart. It makes you get overwhelmed. It's so it's very breathtaking. It's every single point. कोई background music हो, कोई गाना चल रहा है, कुछ भी है, when they're talking about music, the details, the definitions that these people are using, the vocabulary that they're using, it's so not normal. It's so beautifully done. It's so advanced. I am in love with the comic timings. The episodes just keep getting funnier. Okay, I am loving the comic timing of every artist, and every artist is so into their character. That is really amazing. Be it the mother or the uncle जो उसके चाचा हैं, and I am really starting to like his character in the second episode. In the first episode he was adding more to the comic things, but in the second episode I really liked him. The reactions are so pure, like when he goes near a like अब मेरे को या terminologies नहीं पता, but when he goes to the studio and the machine, it suddenly zooms up and he just gets scared, things like that. How the friend actually gets bored during the 21 hours and he is almost falling asleep, making videos, playing games. I love how true to the characters these actors have portrayed it. I really admired that about it. Like the father, like when he gets attacked in the alleyway and then he tries to walk it off like, I'm not embarrassed, yeah, that didn't just happen. Or when the mother, when she's like, he doesn't know what he's getting into and this and that. And Ritwik Bhomik is really like, he is surpassing everything. I mean, even more than Nasiruddin Shah, I am looking at him. Episode 2, oh my god, it was so brilliant. Those of you who have seen it, I'm trying to keep it as spoiler free as I can. Those of you who have seen it, oh my god, his acting is so fucking brilliant. I mean, I could it looked like he was that man who he was being in that episode. Like all the things that he went through, all the things that he was doing, it looked like that's actually happening. I think this is like a real discovery. I mean, he's really good. I'm really taken by how good he is. Can't wait to see more. As of today, we have reached episode 8 or 9 of Bandish Bandits, and I don't think we have ever binged anything this seriously. Like my dad actually came and he was like, "Are you sure you want to work?" He was like, "I think we should watch it." So I was like, "Yeah, yeah, fine, I'm coming." Like he asked me to compromise work to watch a sitcom. I am loving how it is riddled with new and new plot points. Like every episode ends and there is a new plot point. There is a new twist. It just has a very good thing that it's very engaging. I am really loving this. I think we all are. It's super super engaging. The music, everything still stands. It is going brilliantly. The actors, I love how all the actors are so involved in the script. I love how initially it looked a little like it's revolving around two, three people, but how all the characters are so deeply involved throughout the plot. Whether it is Shiba Chadda or whether it is Digvijay or anyone. Kunal Roy Kapoor is so brilliant. Oh my god, I am loving watching him. I think he's just brilliant everywhere, every role he does. Nasiruddin Shah sir is on another level itself. The main leads, the actors in this film, in this series, sorry, have really made it what it is. Brilliant, brilliant portrayal of singing also. I mean the way they're doing it. Itna matlab I really love the music. I really love the music in it. I wish it would never end and now it's gonna end. I'm really sad about that. I think we're now on the finale. I can't wait to see it. And my dad's doing that thing that he did with Special Ops. He started delaying the finale so that the series doesn't end. We might end up rewatching this. Those of you who haven't watched it, go watch it now. It's a brilliant, brilliant series. I hate myself for starting it so late. Just go and see it. It's amazing. I'll say it again at the end of the review, but do go and see it. So I just finished Vandish Bandits, and oh my god, the episode in itself was a roller coaster. I mean, it was really, really intense. Of course, I can't tell you guys anything. You have to watch it for yourself. I cannot give out spoilers, but it is good, and it has ended, leaving me wanting more. I cannot wait for the second season of Bandish Bandits. It's brilliantly done. The music is so so good. The direction while the Sangeet Samrat happens, the direction of how they're zooming in on the characters, every single thing, the way the person has thought it through before doing it, before executing it. I loved that. I loved how effective it was in giving the viewer that experience, that gravitas in the performance. That was all really great. So here's a little something new. I am gonna start doing this thing where I will tell you guys my favorite or my least favorite if I'm doing a bad film review. Like what were my favorite characters and what I loved about the actors, specifically. So let's go. So first off, there's Nasiruddin Shah sir. I really loved how उनकी छोटी छोटी हरकतों से you can understand what level of angry or disappointed he is. Just a small flick of the eyebrows or the hands and you're like, okay, just stop singing. That's wrong. That's wrong. Just stop. And I love how deeply how multiple fold his own character was. Like we saw many sides to Panditji in this series. Like in every episode we saw something new, and I really loved that about it. And I loved the way he portrayed it till the end. It was flawless. Nasruddin Shah sir is amazing, like really amazing. Next comes Shiva Chadda ma'am. She is beyond brilliant. I mean, in the starting of the series, you don't see much of her, but later on, her character builds up and takes up a lot of screen time, and you will love her. Like, I loved the gravity in every scene of hers, how it's just the acting is so pure, the pronunciation, she feels like she has been there all her life. When you see her in the 10th episode, oh my god, I literally cried in the 10th episode when you see it, you'll get it. That happens, and it was just beautiful. I am in complete and total awe of Shiva Chadda ma'am. Next is Ritvik Bhaume. Okay, I developed a crush over him in the second episode, and his acting since the first scene, the first episode, has been beautiful. It is epic, like epic. Whether he is crying, whether he's begging, whether he's shivering, that man can do no wrong. I don't know how that guy is such a brilliant actor. I was really, really taken by someone I've seen for the first time, and मतलब कोई ऐसी चीज़ नहीं थी जो वो नहीं कर पाया, कोई ऐसा इमोशन, कोई ऐसा डिपिक्शन, लाइक यहाँ मैं नॉर्मल लिपसिंग नहीं कर पाती एंड दीज पीपल आर डूइंग सच हैवी हाई लेवल चीज़ का लिपसिंग, उसमें भी यार इतनी फील डाल देते हैं ये लोग. एक्सेप्शनल, ब्रिलियंट. आई लव ऋत्विक भौमिक. Atul Kulkarni sir was amazing. I loved the character of Digvijay. I loved how you could see the depth in in his eyes. You could see the character. You could see the character's history. You could see him longing for his father. You could see that tension between him and Mohini. And he's still so cunning. He's still out there to get what is his. He still is resentful. He's still using very cunning methods to get what he wants. He's doing everything. Like, especially 10th episode where he goes all out. Like, how. I literally hated Digvijay in the series, and that just speaks volumes. I think he is one of my favorite characters. And oh my god, I loved watching him sing. I know it's lip sync, but I loved watching him sing. Rajendra Rathod again was a very complex character. I mean, when you're showing things like betrayal, you're showing things like embarrassment, when you're running around asking people for help, and it's obviously not a good feeling. It's not something pleasant. And representing that, feeling neglected or feeling jealous at points, that I think these sort of feelings, like anyone can portray being happy, but showing these sort of emotions is quite a task, and I think I really loved this character for all these things. Like, really, it was very beautifully portrayed. In the first episode, I was not that much for it, but Amit Mistry's character really was very funny. I loved the comic timings initially. I loved the depth that he showed later on. Like, there were all sides to Devendra Rathod. Like, in the beginning, he was very aloof. He was funny. Later on, we see him stepping up for his family, and I really loved that, and I really loved the actor. I mean, he was really good. Kunal Roy Kapoor is a treat to watch. Like, I was literally waiting for him to come on screen all the time. He was so brilliant, he was so funny. Brilliant acting, brilliant comic timing. That was one part I really waited to watch every single. Like, I would just keep looking for him. He kabhi aayega and I'll laugh. He was amazing. Kabir again loved the character. Rahul Kumar's acting was amazing. His comic timing was brilliant. Really, like we were laughing throughout every time he was on. You can't not laugh when he's on screen. And there's Shreya Chaudhary. I loved her acting as well. I loved the scenes where things got really intense, and again, like you can always act happy, but it's really hard doing places where you're looking hurt, where you're sad, where you're depressed, where you have no faith in yourself. And I think she really lived up to her character really nicely. I really loved her. So, all in all, Bandish Bandits is a really beautiful story with brilliant plot points. You are never bored for 1 second. The music is so melodious, your ears will melt. The actors are brilliant, the story is brilliant, the direction is amazing. So, if you haven't seen it yet, you are stupid. Go and watch the film right now, like, right the series. Just go and watch it. I want to rewatch it and I'm dying for season 2. Please get season 2 out soon. I can't wait for a year. I hope it's not more than a year. I'll die if it's more than a year. I'm so happy I watched it. So I'm gonna rate Bandish Bandits a 6 hamsters out of 5 rating. I know it happens very less, but it's that good. Go watch it.